Aeropak Home Air Conditioner Foaming Coil Cleaner Spray is formulated with special natural extract, deodorant and fragrant ingredients. It can clean and deodorize the internal parts of air conditioner, and easily provides inflow of fresh air. Home AC Cleaner Spray has rich foam, which can breaks down and removes junk like dirt, dust, grease. Targeted with high-pressure spray and tip, delayed, expanding foam action works quickly and precisely. Home Air Conditioner Foam Cleaner Spray helps remove dirt on the cooling fins of air conditioner. It can inhibit mildew growth and improves cooling effect of machine. It's ideal for air conditioning and refrigeration units. Cleaning and deodorizing no-flush evaporator and condenser coils. Let the Home AC Coil Cleaning Spray do all the heavy lifting for you. The alkaline detergent is self-rinsing. So all you have to do is spray it on and then let it go to work.